Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to show default label in admin order detail page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see billing and then you see customer detail, customer name, company name, address. So we are going to display label with customer text. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to format billing detail of customer and we are going to show label, and then you see first name and last name, and also we are going to show first name and last name individually. Now you see first name, we are going to get first name from customer detail and this is our label first name. Again you see if condition, this is our label last name and we are going to get last name from customer detail, and then you see company, so this is our label again. So you can add label according to your requirement, and then you see street address, apartment, unit, and then you see zip code and we are going to get postcode. So this is our label format, and then you see town, city and country. If you want to change format, you can replace if condition with each other. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to order detail page in admin section and refresh the page. Now we are in edit order and then you see billing format. So this is our customer name Hassan Shah, and also we are going to show individually first name, last name, then you see company, and then you see street address, apartment, and then you see zip code, town, city, state, country. So this all information came from customer detail. So this is our billing format. Back to code again. So if you want to change position, you can replace if condition. So you can copy and move if condition any location in code, and you can modify label according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.